What is up, guys? So today I'm back with the next video, and today I want to show you guys how to make a PDF right from your iPhone. So this should be pretty simple and pretty quick. This is convenient for people who are doing online school currently, or say you're doing an online business and want to send a PDF to your lawyer, or if you're doing online school, you can send it to your friends or to your professor, to your classmate, and all those stuff. So this should be pretty simple. So what you're gonna want to do is go to notes. So you're not just gonna click on notes, you're gonna press and hold on notes. So like I'm doing right here, press and hold on notes and hit scan document. So from there you're gonna take your you're gonna take your camera real quick, zoom out, and then it should do it thing, and it should take the picture for you automatically when you're ready. Or I'm guessing you can take it, sometimes it take the picture for you and everything, but here you can just crop it up however you want and get all the paper in it, and then keep scan, and then click save here, and then you're gonna want to click on the image. And if you want, you can make this a markup. You can mark this up real quick. So like me, I'm gonna mark it up. And if you have a signature, you can put a signature. I don't have a signature, so I'm not gonna put a signature, but you can do all those stuff. But let's say I just want to do a marking real quick, like right there on my PDF. You can do that. It done. Go to your share button and you can email it to whoever you want, or you can send it as a message, however which one fits your personal need. You can do whichever you want. So this is pretty simple, this is pretty quick. That's basically it, guys. Hope you guys found this video helpful. I know a lot of people will be finding this video because there's a lot of third-party apps out there, and you can always see that this is a PDF. Like you can see scan document, PDF document, so you know right away this is going to a PDF. No converter needed, no nothing needed. So that's basically it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. And that's all I have for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Until my next video, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Comment down below what are your thoughts, was this helpful or not. Let me know in the comment section. Until my next video, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.